We'll guide you through how to remove and disable the Windows 11 login pin. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this, perhaps you don't like using the pin. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about disabling it and removing it. Make sure this full guide as we're covering important information throughout this whole thing, which you're going to go and find useful, so don't go and skip anything. To go and get started with this, we need to go and head to the settings on our computer. So what you can do is come down to the bottom and press the Windows Start button. This will pop up and you can find settings. You can always go and search at the top otherwise. Now in settings, you want to go over to the left and find the option for accounts. Then you want to go down and you want to go and find the option for sign-in options. If we then come into here, we can find the option for PIN in Windows Hello. So you want to go and click on it to expand it. Now you're going to go and see remove this sign-in option, but you can go and see it's grayed out. We can't go and click remove. But to go and, if you want to do this, what you need to do is scroll down into additional settings and you can go and find for improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign in from Microsoft accounts on this device. You can switch this off, close out of settings, then you can come back to your settings, so press the start button again, search or click on settings. Go to the left and you can go and find accounts, scroll down here and you want to go and find sign-in options. And then what you need to do is you can go and see it's here. And now we have the option for remove. Now, what you can then do is go and click on remove like this and confirm your decision. I now need to enter in my account password. Because I'm using a Microsoft account, you can see in the top left here, this is actually your Microsoft account password. If you're not using one, it'll go and be different. I can then go and press OK. And as you can see, the PIN has now been removed. Now, instead, we're going to be using the password. If you want to go and remove the password, I found the best way of doing this is by not using a Microsoft account. So if you want to go and do that and remove a Microsoft account, press accounts at the top, scroll down and find your info, and you want to go and press sign in with a local account instead. You get this pop up and you can press next, enter in your Microsoft and Outlook password again. And then what you can do here is you want to go and leave these options blank. So I can just go and press enter like so, or press at the bottom and press sign out and finish. Go and wait, it's going to sign out. We've now successfully signed out and we can go and click. And now I can just go and press sign in. You can go and see there's no password or PIN. If you go and choose to go and keep the Microsoft account, instead you'll go and be using your password there. So it's going to be up to you on what you go and use.